Hello, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today I'm going to take you through a ton of outgoing mail. These are all from in between, I think, the months of August and October, so hopefully there won't be any spoilers here. These all should have arrived by now, and if not, that would be very, very sad. This first mail that you're seeing, I'm just grabbing my my photo diary app. This first mail that you're seeing went to Elaine a little while ago. I made her this adorable little flip book. I also, after I made this, I actually decided to turn this into a tutorial. So you're not going to see this one, but a slightly different one for a video tutorial sometime soon. I have not actually finished editing that, but that will be there soon. It's basically a 3-pocket flip book with a shaker on the front, and I absolutely loved how that came out. Yeah, so I included a bunch of tags, a bunch of little goodies, and then I made a wax seal stamp on a Project Life card because I wanted to use Project Life cards as like the background, and then I decided to use it to cover up the letter so that I could take pictures without showing too much of the letter, if that makes sense. So this one went to Elaine in the USA. I'm very much hoping that it has arrived. If not, that would be kind of sad. And I also want to say, before I get any comments about this, that I know this is not my usual filming style. I have done many more outgoing mail videos. Hello, messy desk. I don't know why I decided to show you that, but I've done many outgoing mail videos, but I know they are a lot different to watch than my my regular mail videos because I'm not using a tripod. I'm using my small compact camera that I actually got secondhand from my dad, and I'm filming with one hand while showing you the mail with the other, which is not ideal. I know that a lot of people would probably prefer to watch like my overhead tripod camera videos, but when I'm crafting, I don't want to worry about cameras. I don't want to worry about that. I just want to focus on crafting and then just show you before I close the envelope. So that's why this looks a lot messier than what you're used of me. Now, this is a swap I did in our Dutch swapper group. I think it was a Mail Me Some Art themed swap. A Mail Me Some Art swap, and then the theme was sea, I think, or water. No, the theme was water, and I decided to go with a sea theme. So what I did is I did like a watercolor background, and then I die cut a few leaves that actually look a little bit like like sea plants, I guess, like seaweed and stuff. And then I also fussy cut, I stamped a few of those fish and stuff onto watercolor paper, and then I fussy cut them out and to make them look like die cuts, and then I watercolored them as well. Then this next one went to my pen pal Jenny, and that's just my cat Noose, who's scratching one of the kitchen cabinets in the background. I don't know what she wants to do in the kitchen cabinet, but I just opened the door for her. You know, you cannot stop cats. Once they have something in their head, they're going into the kitchen cabinet. So I just opened the door, and I'm going to see what she's going to investigate in there. But yeah, this is a little flip book I made for my pen pal Jenny. I basically made a teeny tiny envelope, and then I matched papers to turn it into a flip book. So we have an envelope on the right, we have a pocket in the middle, and then we just have a page on the left, like the front cover page. And I really like this because it's small but still packs a ton of goodies, and I know that my pen pal really liked it, so I was happy with that. Then this is a color-in postcard that I used to write a message on. So I actually first colored in the postcard, then I wrote my message, I put it in a clear sleeve, and I included some little goodies. And this one went to Donna in Canada. Donna in Canada, not Donna in the USA, Donna in Canada. And these are the stamps I added on top of that. I don't know if this has arrived. I really hope it has. It's a little bit tricky to send out a postcard in a clear sleeve like this, but I really like the way that looks, because I could also put it in an envelope, but then you cannot actually see the postcard anymore. I could also send it without envelope or sleeve, but then you're not gonna be able to add goodies. So I decided to do it like this, and hopefully it's a little surprise in her mailbox. Now, as you could see on the front of this little flip book, this one went to Rihanna in the USA. This is also a subscriber mail reply, same as previous one. My cat is currently scratching another cabinet door. I don't know what she wants. But for this one, I used some of these 6x6 papers that someone sent me, and I turned them into little envelopes, and then I created a mini envelope flip book. And this was to show that while I was filming this video, my little cat Noos was actually stealing my chair. And there we have little Sage. Oh, both of the cats in my craft room. That never happens. It's usually one of them, and it's usually Sage now because she's kind of like the boss, which is kind of sad. But yeah, I don't know. I hope when they become friends again, Noos will also want to be in my craft room. So basically a lot of envelopes, a lot of little collages on the side of the envelopes, and then some goodies that I tucked in there, such as these washi tape stickers. I love washi tape stickers, especially because first of all they're pretty, second of all they're very light, so you can send a lot of goodies without making your mail too heavy. Then we have two more pockets. One holds the letter and the other one holds some random goodies such as some sticky notes and some stickers. I can see some twine. I'm just going to charge my watch. There we go. Some washi tape samples on the twine. And then some of these pretty papers that I usually use for address labels. Very nice. So there's that little flip book. Oh, and those images you saw in the beginning, with the white background, they're actually stamped images that I fussy cut because I have some really pretty stamps. I forget to use them, but this way I can also share some of the images with a couple people. And then yeah, let me see who is next. There's Noos again. And baby Sage. That was such a rare moment. I just had to show you twice. It actually never happened after that. Then this one went to Ariane in Belgium. This is again a subscriber mail reply. I created a loaded pocket, I think I'm gonna call it. We have the pocket on the back, and then we have multiple different pockets in the front. I also included the letter on the back. And yeah, I'm in my bathrobe, as you can see. I'll show you the goodies that I included. I added a sequin mix, which is always fun. I love making little sequin mixes. And then I added some layered flower die cuts that I made. I absolutely love sharing those as well, just because they look so pretty. And some flowers, or some leaves I can see in the back. And I made this this pocket flip book, this pocket loaded pocket with a paper pad from Action that also has the die cuts. I included some handmade wax seals, of course, some pip sticks, stickers, and as you can see it's like cat themed, and I thought that was cute because we're both cat ladies. More pip stick stickers. I really wanted to hoard these, but then I realized that I'm not actually using them, so I might as well share them with someone who might use them. And that's a little sleeping kitty. I thought that was really, really cute. Some more stickers. Can never have too many of those. And then in the top I included these shaped postcards. One of them is shaped like a branch, very pretty watercolor branch. One of them is shaped like a butterfly, and then we have two of those mini cards that you could also write like a mail tag on, or just add as a cute little goodie. One with a shell and the other one with a little outfit. Thought that was quite cute. So this one went to Ariana in Belgium. That is probably one of my favorite postcards ever. I mean, I would not send it out in the mail as is, but it's really cute as like a bookmark or decoration or a present. Then the next one, let me see if I can find this envelope. Oh, I cannot find it. Did I forget? Oh no, there it is. This one went to Rebecca in Australia. Yeah, that must have been it. I didn't actually take a picture of the envelope. I forgot. But this one went to Rebecca, and it's a little... I basically decorated a card like that, what you saw on the front was also handmade. I basically distressed that and then I die cut it, and then I had the front, and then this is the inside, which I basically turned it into a loaded greeting card. We have the letter on the right, a die cut, and a T. I was a little bit afraid I was showing her address, but I did not actually finish it yet, so it should be okay. And then I also decorated it with a lot of Nuvo Drops and a lot of... Then the next colorful envelope is this one that went to Sasha in the United States. Once again, a PO box reply. I do not think I'm going to fully show you. Yeah, this is the flip book that I based on the other one I showed you before. That is still going to be in a video that I have to upload. So I'm not actually going to show you, but you can see a pretty shaker on the front, and then these are all of the sticker pages that I included. It used to be one sticker page, but it wouldn't fit in the envelope and I would have to fold the stickers, which is not pretty, so I just decided to cut the page in a trillion different pieces. Next up is this mail that went to Jeannie in Australia. This is one that I did for a video. I forgot what I called that video. Okay, my cat is really going crazy. Okay, I'm so sorry. I gave my cat some food, so she should be alright. I realize now that you cannot actually hear my cat in the videos. You cannot hear her scratching. So it's just like I'm screaming at her for no reason, but she was trying to climb one of the other cupboards, okay? So I'm not lying. But this one went to, like I said, Jeannie in Australia. I will link the video for that project down below. Because I've done it in a video, I do not show it extensively in this video. I don't want to spoil it. If you want to see what's in there, you should watch the video, of course. But these are some of the goodies I included for her. I added some of that la papier letter writing paper and another sticker page that I cut up. And then a vellum page with some gold foiling, which is very pretty. I love the papers that I used for the envelope as well, by the way. They're from a paper bag I bought a little while ago. Then, next one. This one went to Stephanie in the USA. This pretty little Happy Meal. The envelope is so neon colored. I would not usually use it, but it has a perfect size, and it was kind of fun to decorate on top of. So Stephanie received the project that I made in my Crafting Without Craft Supplies video. I will also link that down below if you want to check that out. That used to be a pouch, like an advertisement pouch that held coffee samples, and I made that into a pretty little Happy Meal, which I was actually very, very pleased about myself. And then naturally I filled it up with a bunch of goodies. We have some sticker paper, we have some die cuts I made, we have some vellum, we have a bag filled with stickers, we have some stamped images that I cut out, we have a washi tape sample on a lollipop stick, which is always fun. Don't worry, the lollipop stick was not used, it's iced lolly stick. I bought them at Flying Tiger many years ago, and I actually only used them for washi tape samples. I don't actually know why I bought them, but they were in the craft supply section, so I felt like I needed them. And yes, that is one giant washi tape. It's very difficult to use, but it's so fun. And then we have one smaller washi tape sample as well. So these are all of the goodies that went in there, as well as the stamped images. Wow, I've talked a lot in these nearly 15 minutes, but I hope you guys are still enjoying it. We have one more mail to share. Let me know in a comment down below which one was your favorite. Of course, if you get any inspiration from this, I would love to see it on Instagram. Use the hashtag ThePaperLetterBlog so that we can all find it, and I would love to see what you make. Of course, don't forget to also follow me on Instagram and YouTube, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So very clearly this one went to Kristen in the USA, another PO box reply. I sent her a bunch of tickets with a paperclip. It's sad to watch this because we're not, with the new 2020 rules, we're not actually allowed to send paperclips anymore, but I'm still going to try. A cute little washi tape sample on a bread that I thought looked very, very adorable, like a little booklet. I also made her one of those heart-shaped envelopes. I have a die for that. It's just very, very cute. And I included a bunch of goodies such as those little stickers. Kristen has already replied to me with the Christmas meal. And that's just the back of that heart-shaped envelope. I decorated that with some washi and some little butterflies. And of course inside the envelope is also a bunch of goodies. Mainly die cuts. Gotta love die cuts. Gotta love butterfly die cuts. And then also that is actually the stamp she used. I just thought that would be kind of fun to send her. And stickers and some more die cuts and some pretty things. Just like a little magpie envelope. You guys know I love magpie envelopes. So that is today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'm very much hoping to see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Get creative, get crafty, and I'll see you soon. Bye!